Hello everyone, my name is Varun Gupta, Assistant Professor Kite Ghaziabad. In this lecture, we are going to discuss one more property, that is multiplication by n property. This is the property of multiplication by n property. If z transform of xn is xz, then z transform of n xn must be equal to minus z d by dz into xz. And ROC remains same. If ROC of this is R, then ROC of this is also R. If Z transform of Xn is this is the Z transform operator that we use in control system. Differentiate Xz with respect to Z, then we get dxz by dz is equal to n is equal to minus infinity to plus infinity xn, and we know differentiation property is equal to n x power n minus 1 n x to the power n minus 1, and we use this property minus n z to the power minus n minus 1. So we may write it as here. Now nxn into z to the power minus n. So can we take z inverse is equal to 1 upon z, and we get this, and we may write it as n is equal to minus infinity to plus infinity nxn z to the power minus n, because we write this as xz because here is xz, okay, and here xn, and we write z transform of xn. Now here z to the power minus n, z to the power minus n, and here nxn, and here xn. So we may write z transform of nxn according to this. So how to use for any function we will see. If xn is equal to a to the power n un, then how to find z transform of the given sequence? So first of all, we have to write z transform of a to the power n un. We may write it z upon z minus a, and this is the equation number 1. Using property of z transform and multiplication by n property, z transform of xn is equal to xz, and z transform of n xn is equal to minus z d by dz into xz. Here we have written the z transform of a to the power n un, z upon z minus a. Let it is xz. Okay. Now if I am interested to find the z transform of given sequence, let x1 z, then it will equal to minus z d by dz into x dash z, because I am assuming x1 z, because I am assuming x1 z. So minus z d by dz x1 z z upon z minus a. Okay, and we have to differentiate z upon z minus a with respect to z. So minus z minus a whole square of z minus a remains same, and differentiation of z minus z remains same, differentiation of z minus a, we get minus z, differentiation of z minus a 1 minus differentiation, okay, differentiation of z d by dz into z minus a. Then we get z upon 1 upon z minus a का होल स्क्वायर, निगेटिव माइनस, ओके. We get z upon z minus का होल स्क्वायर, and ROC remains same. ROC of this is mod z greater than a, and ROC of obtained z is also mod z greater than a, okay. In another problem, actually here a is written, a z upon z minus a का whole square. In another problem, if we want z transform of xn is equal to n un, then first of all we have to find z transform of unit step signal, and z transform of unit step signal is z upon z minus 1. Let this is x1 z. Now z transform of nun will be minus z d by dz into x1 z, and it will be equal to minus z d by dz z upon z minus 1. Z minus 1 square whole square, z minus 1 differentiation of z1, and we get z upon z minus 1 का whole square of z minus 1, and ROC will be and this is the unity circle and this is z plane, and ROC of both un sequence and nun are same. Thank you.